Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's my first catch-up video. I think it's for February in the garden. Just want to take out. It's been the first good day for several days today. Let's have a quick look down here. As you can see, the hollyhocks are starting to look well. These are my daylilies. They're coming through. So yeah, things are starting to come back to life now. Well, if you can just come around here. So see the hollyhock there. Let's have a look down. See, everything is starting to come back to life, which is nice to see. A few more weeks and I can start getting out in the garden a bit more regular when the weather improves. As you can see here, this is caterpillar damage. Get it every winter with the hollyhocks. I think food's scarce for them, so they eat what they can. Down this side here, I've got Easter bonnet, aqualegias as well. Going there. Let's try to get some new buds, just see there. And then, beautiful is absolutely, I mean that is an absolutely stunning flower. Rich golden blooms. And we come round here, a few more of these. They'll be flowering soon. Some nice pinks, some nice carnations. Oh, better get that up. I don't want that in there. That horrible bramble. I have to dig that up. And then we have some nice foxgloves. I did this a rake the other day just to get some of the deep leaves off. They're Japanese anemones. Here we have, this is my peonies. See if there's any new buds. No, it's a bit too early for any new buds on there. Have some old-fashioned, I forget the name of daffodils there. Come along a bit more. That needs weeding. Have some black-eyed Susan there. They look nice. And then we come to my beautiful little tree. The birds have absolutely loved these, the bird feeders, this winter. I planted this last year. Don't know where that's gone. Yeah, there's my climber, which my mother, putting the bird feeders out for me, decided to rip down, which I'm not very happy about. She's got some new buds there, so hopefully it should still be alright. As long as it's not been ripped at the bottom, which I don't think it has. So fingers crossed. A bit mad about that though. There's some lovely new buds on. It's got some new buds there. So yeah. That clematis should be fine. It'll soon grow back, fingers crossed. But yeah, here's my oriental poppies. And then, at the back there, I've got to dig this up. It's something I planted. I forget the name of it now. It's been an absolute nightmare. I took it, you can make organic compost out of it. I took it when I had my allotment several years ago, planted it in the garden. Just spreads like nobody's business, so I need to dig that up. Oh, look at those, dead happy with those. Gorgeous, snowdrops. Look at those, absolutely divine. Then as we come around here, these two pots here have got some lilies in, so I'm going to take them out of the pots and plant them up. And then some more beautiful plants here. We have foxgloves here, they look nice. I get weeds in between. And then some nice lupins. Well, they look great this year. They've grown from seed. Another nice lupin here. Doing really well. These are Lucifer, Cosmea. I suffer dyslexia, and remembering the names is an absolute nightmare for me. Pensimons down there, and then we have, these have been left out this year, but it's not been cold enough to fetch them in, so they've done really well. These are my agapanthus. These ones have been grown from seed. They should flower this year hopefully, and they're ones I got from Paragot flower show. They're only 9 centimetres tall when I got those. I've got 3 pots of those now. We come round my climber, which I pruned at the wrong time of year last year, so it might die. This pruned it in the autumn, which you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to prune it just after flowering. My fault. We all make mistakes. Come round here. A nice row of aquiledias all the way down there. They're always one of the first to flower, so they should look great. Yes. Wow, my full collection here. I'm just so pleased with these. It took 3 years to get to this stage. If you look there, nice strong root system coming out the bottom. I gave one to the delivery driver the other day. Just told her to pick one. So yeah, here we go. Here's my peonies in pots. These are what I got from Poundland. These agapanthus, 2 different types. And this tree is a silver birch that's self-seeded. I am going to plant that probably up there, opposite my other tree. And as we come round, this climber, this clematis, that is looking really well. Look at that. I should go up there and cover that this year. I don't know if you can see where the climber was. That all needs painting, sanding down and painting. So yeah, everything's looking really well this year. So yeah, just have a quick stand back and have a look. The grass needs a clean. I need to give it a good rake. I don't put feed and weed down because I've got a cat. I need to give it a good rake. Give it, aerate it with a fork. Get some air in there. And then I'll put some more compost down mixed with some grass seed. Fill up any gaps. And that should look good. But yeah, if you've got any questions about anything on my website, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.